Shocking incident of moral policing has erupted in Rishikesh. A right-wing group has confronted models over short clothes and a ramp walk. Models were seen arguing with the Hindu outfit's leader. This shocking confrontation took place between models and the right-wing group over a ramp walk and wearing of short clothes in Rishikesh in Uttarakhand. The Hindu group organization had protested against Western culture and advised models who arrived for auditions in Rishikesh to maintain civility and dress appropriately. Auditions were being held at a Rishikesh hotel to participate in a program, and ruckus had erupted over a ramp walk that was organized. This ruckus erupted at a hotel over women walking the ramp.
मैं कह रहा हूँ अपने घर पे करूँगी।
You are no one telling me this.
आप यहाँ बैठे
You are no one.
आप यहाँ बैठे रहो।
Who are you?
आप यहाँ बैठे रहो।
Who are you?
वो पब्लिक बता देगी।
Okay sir.
आप यहाँ बैठे रहो।
Who am I?
मैंने होटल में आके देखा तो किसी क्लब वालों का कोई लॉयंस क्लब करके एक वो चल रहा था, मॉडलिंग शो चल रहा था छोटी छोटी बच्चों का। जो मैंने आके रुकवाने की कोशिश करी, मैंने उनसे बोला कि ये हमारा कल्चर नहीं है, उत्तराखंड देवभूमि का कल्चर नहीं है। और जिस तरीके से आप ये मॉडलिंग शो करा रहे हो बच्चों को, जो तरीके से छोटे छोटे कपड़े बना के आप यहाँ कर रहे हो, ये दिस इज़ नॉट ऋषिकेश कल्चर। ये शहर हमारा धर्मनगरी कल्चर नहीं है, सनातन कल्चर नहीं है। तो जो ये मॉडलिंग शो करा रहे थे उन्होंने जो है मुझे रोकने का प्रयास किया, बच्चों ने मुझे रोकने का प्रयास। मैंने उन बच्चों से बोला भाई आपका मौलिक अधिकार आपका अपने ऊपर है, आप कपड़े पहन के अपने घर में पहन सकते हो, आप अपनी ज़िंदगी के खुद के मालिक हो, कुछ भी कर सकते हो। मैंने लेकिन आप इन कपड़ों को पहन के एक्सपोज नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि हमारी लड़कियां छोटी छोटी शहर की बच्चियां जो हैं पहाड़ से आती हैं, ऋषिकेश में पढ़ती हैं, ऋषिकेश में लोग रहते हैं, वो इंस्पायर होती हैं आपसे।
बताना चाहूँगा कि वो सारी बच्चियाँ जितनी पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हैं वो 18 साल से ऊपर हैं और उनके परिवार वालों ने उनको अलाउ किया है कि वहाँ यहाँ पर आएँ और जो कपड़ा पहनना चाहते हैं। आई थिंक मैं और आप कोई नहीं होते वो उनको बताने के लिए कि आप पर्सनली अपनी लाइफ में कैसे कपड़े पहन रहे हैं। बट ऑन स्टेज जब आप किसी को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, जब आप किसी संस्था को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, किसी कंपटीशन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, तब हम उस चीज़ की श्योरिटी ले सकते हैं कि हम ऐसी कोई परिधान या ऐसा कोई कपड़ा उनको पहनने नहीं देंगे जिससे हमारी संस्कृति या किसी भी समुदाय को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो।
My colleague Anushka joins us with more details. Anushka, now take us through the reactions coming in on this particular incident. It's a shocking incident of moral policing where this Hindu outfit leader can be seen arguing with models, and he in fact says that it's not as per culture or Sanatan culture that's followed in Rishikesh. Therefore, they're not allowed or they must not wear such clothes and conduct a modeling event there in Rishikesh.
That's right. The shocking incident has come to light from Rishikesh, where several of the girls were in fact there to audition for a pageant that was being held at Rishikesh Lions Club. Several of the women who were there were in fact trying to audition and trying to participate in the Rishikesh pageant that was being held for the Diwali fair, where this Hindu outfit leaders arrived and had in fact got into the altercation between the participants, saying them that they should not be wearing these kind of clothes and they should not be representing the state while wearing Western clothes and wearing short clothes. That is not per the Sanatan culture, and after which the altercation broke out. The girls raised this issue that how come their personal freedom is being halted like that, and why come anyone from the Hindu outfit is there to question them as to what they should be wearing for the audition that was in fact happening in Rishikesh. Now this audition was happening for the Rishikesh pageant, where all the girls were there to participate and also audition for that particular event that was being held by the Lions Club Rishikesh. And now we are seeing that the girls had gotten into heated altercation with the Hindu outfit leaders who were there, who were moral policing them and saying them that this is not allowed and that is Devbhoomi Rishikesh and they should not be wearing those clothes that is not per the Sanatan Dharma and culture. And after which the girls had to call the police, and afterwards this whole drama unfurled, where the police had to pacify the whole crowd and had to diffuse the situation, where we can clearly see the visuals of what was happening there in Rishikesh, where these girls were in fact there to participate. Several of the Hindu outfit leaders have said that many of the little girls who were in Rishikesh, who come to Rishikesh, they look up to all those participants and they get inspiration from them, and that is why they should not be wearing all those Western clothes. But we are seeing that this has raised a serious issue on the personal freedom and how anybody has the right to dress however they want and whichever dress they want they could be wearing at the pageant. And now we are seeing that after the police arrived, this whole situation was in fact pacified and all the crowd was in fact diffused, and this all happened at a hotel in Rishikesh. Over to you.